With Foxit PDF Editor, managing PDFs in SharePoint and OneDrive is simple and seamless. Here's how it works. In Microsoft 365, I use OneDrive for personal files and SharePoint for team collaboration. When my manager shares a draft PDF in SharePoint, I can open it directly in Foxit PDF Editor. I go to File, Open, Add a Place, and choose SharePoint. I'll enter the SharePoint site URL and give the location a name. I'll sign in with my Microsoft 365 credentials to connect the site. That SharePoint location now appears in my Connected Places for quick access. I'll browse to the document library, select the PDF, and click Open. Foxit asks whether to check out the file or just open it. For a team-sensitive report, I'll choose Check Out and Open to lock editing. Inside Foxit, I'll edit content and add comments to guide my team. For a quick polish, I'll use Foxit AI Assistant to improve clarity. I'll use it to fix typos and rewrite text. After completing the edits, I'll check the PDF back into SharePoint so everyone gets the latest version. I'll go to Share, then SharePoint, and choose Check In. I'll add a version note and upload the update. The updated PDF is uploaded, versioned, and ready for my teammates. I access my personal PDFs in OneDrive. The process is just as easy as for SharePoint. Add OneDrive, open and edit anything I need to do, then save to OneDrive. I can also convert Office files instantly using drag and drop. Then I save the converted PDF directly to SharePoint. Inside Office apps, the Foxit PDF tab lets me convert files and save them directly to SharePoint, OneDrive, or ECM systems. The converted PDF lands in the right place and opens in Foxit for final edits if needed. Across team documents in SharePoint and personal files in OneDrive, Foxit keeps my PDF workflow simple and connected. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.